Okay, welcome to Exhibits Today. This is Brother Hernan Falcon, live here at the SMX Manila for the ILDEX 2024. And with me is one of the company, our friend, a wonderful product, good services. Let's welcome the Amtech. And with me, napagwapo po, the President, Mr. Richard Dean. Magandang araw, sir.
Magandang hapon, sir. Kamusta?
Mabuti, sir. At we are happy nakita uli kita.
Yes.
And you bring some good news for the Filipino people. So ano ba yung dala natin produkto dito sa ILDEX?
Ano naman ang dala natin is MTech Incubator. So it's a hatchery, parang commercial hatchery incubators for parang big productions of chicks.
Wow.
Para sa mga Pilipino.
Wow. Kaya-kaya ba yung presyo, sir?
Kaya-kaya yan.
Alright.
Sure yan.
Sino ba yung target market mo ngayon, sir?
Actually,
end user pa rin? Or
yes,
mga company?
end users naman. Actually, both naman kung gusto nyo mag-commercial hatchery or toll or any market naman into the parang hatching capacity. Meron tayo,
no?
Kahit small ka or big, meron naman tayo mabibigay na product para sa inyo.
Okay, what is your advantage doon sa produkto mo kaysa doon sa iba mga player?
Well, ang
maliban sa gwapo kayo.
Minsan lang naman.
Ano yung advantage ng product mo, sir?
Actually, advantage naman natin is quality talaga.
Quality, tsaka yung presyo, no?
Yes, yung price. Kasi like if lumaban naman tayo sa presyo pero kung yung quality mo hindi maganda, ang product naman natin kasi umabot 30 to 50 years yan.
Wow.
So,
talagang long span, no?
Long span talaga. Kasi pag mag-invest ka, gusto mo yung tumatagal. Ayaw mo naman yung bukas masisira agad, diba?
Tapos na agad ang ROI mo.
Saka quality din. So pag maganda yung foundation mo ng makina, di maganda din yung magiging result.
Alright. So meron ba kayong website, sir? Telepono para kontakin na agad kayo?
Yes, sir. So sa number ko naman, pwede nyo ako message sa 0917-506-6681. Tapos ang ating email is rd.hatchery@gmail.com. So we're on Facebook din. So MTech Hatchery Systems Limited. You can find us at Facebook din. So,
okay, so what are you waiting for? Grab the opportunity and be the partner of MTech.
Yes,
this is Brother Hernan Falcon. Always say thank you very much, and to our media partner, the SMX. Siyempre kami ang media partner ng SMX Manila. At siyempre ang Swedish na gumawa po ng booth nila. What can you say of your booth, bro?
Very nice yung booth natin. Every year sila naman kinuha namin.
Wala naman iba, no?
Walang palya eh.
Walang palya.
Hindi, maganda naman. Actually, hindi naman okay talaga. Maganda service talaga.
At siyempre ang ating executive producer, the man behind this production, Mr. Rick Angeles. Ito po si Brother Hernan Falcon. Always say, God bless you.